Hey, welcome to this event. Now, we have had some technical difficulties, so J-Raw has asked me to put together like a concise, short presentation, to share with you what we're doing, what our goals are, what our objectives are, and quite possibly how you can get involved. And I'm going to go through that, just get straight to the point. Before I do that, though, I'm Riley, and been around for a while. Family entertainment. My late father's one of the reggae icons. My brother's one of the top 20 reggae artists on the planet. I've been involved in, hip hop, rap, even, R&B and other genres of music. From being a promoter in Florida, bringing in classic African American acts into the state, and profiting from that, getting into real estate, losing everything, starting back over, learning a lot about investments, and now sharing investments, cryptocurrencies, and other things with our tribe, right? So J Raw, when he came to me with this project, it really touched me deeply. Not only his story, because I lost my father to cancer as well, but just the mission that we have really says it all. Our mission is to create a tribe of healthy people who develop sustainable wealth while helping others achieve a naturally healthy and wealthy lifestyle, right? So that's what Spiritual Foods represents. And the opportunity is really how we're able to capitalize on that as well. All right. Now, here's just a few of the things that we're doing currently. So, all right. So here, what it is, we have a complete detox guide that's being put out, and if you look, we put this out. Person comes through, and they have the opportunity to purchase this and to get all the benefits and bonuses that we provide. Provide as much value as possible up front. Once they, gain that, they get redirected to the thank you page where they get to download the guide, get the, cheat sheet, the mind maps, and the resources, right? As well as an opportunity to upgrade to a video program where they can learn even more, right? And we then, we have also, we're working on several products within the store, which will be, at spiritualfoodshq.com. If you want to check out that site. Currently, we have this standing page there, but within that same property, we have, the Detox Slim Tea from Spiritual Foods, and we're bringing this to the market, as well as other exclusive, proprietary products that we have, developed, using a lot of the creative genius that comes from J Raw as an artist, and as a community activist, and as a person who really is fighting to share with us health, and in so doing, we have the opportunity now to invest ourselves, right? A lot of people say, okay, you need a lot of money to get something going, to make it grow, and to be a multi-million-dollar business, or what have you. But that's not always the case. A lot of times you need the investment, a capital of people who are willing to be, to share and spread the mission and the message. So whether you look at this as an opportunity, because the way we're setting this up, people will be able to have their own micro franchise, if you will, right? Just to relay the concept in a easy to digest format. Like I said before, I'm going to make this a very short video that gives you the insight to what we're doing. As far as the investment goes, let me get to this, and I'm just going to go through this real fast, because this, instead of doing the full presentation, like I said before, we just want to share with you pretty much. Hold on. Okay, so that's the mission statement. All right, so we're looking, at what it takes to build $1 million brand. We have the products, and I'm going to talk while this goes through, but I'm not really sticking to the script, if you will. All right, so all the things that we're investing in, all the relationships, all the marketing mechanisms, everything, will be at your disposal, and you can profit from that. Now, if you look at other companies that's built multi-billion-dollar operations, Amazon and the like, they have a much smaller percentage that they pay out to the people who support them. So in what we're doing, we're paying out a much higher percentage, and we're actually striving to pay out much more, even up to 100%, right? And one of the things as well, by utilizing what we're doing, it's just beneficial to yourself as far as health-wise, but also we come to a place where we're seeding back into the community, okay? And the people that we're working with, some of them are like family and friends, and people who we actually, our intention is to do something very positive and powerful and impactful, while at the same time allowing everyone that connects with us, working with us, whether even if you have just a good thought, good spirit towards what we're doing, we appreciate that. But even beyond that, people who would like to have their own business opportunity, yeah, that's what we have to set up. And it's very, there's cost that goes into that, to make sure everything is automated and the processes run correctly, right? So if you're interested at all, take the time. Let's set up a private one-on-one session with J. Raw and myself, and maybe another team member or so. And we'll just go through everything, and figure out if we can work together. And if we can, we look forward to having you be a part of something that one day you can look back and say, hey, man, I'm so glad I got involved, with these, with our people. All right. So we appreciate you, and thank you for taking the time to look at the video. Like I said, I just had to take an hour or so, condense it into less than 10 minutes. And it's not to take away from the information, just to give you the gist of what it is. Health and wellness, huge industry, trillion-dollar industry, and we're going to do what we're going to do, guaranteed. All right, we'd love to have you with us, and hey, but irregardless, this is the mission, and we're going to get it done. Thanks for your time.